Mastering the Windows Snipping Tool, a simple guide for desktop users. Screenshots are one of the easiest ways to capture and share information on your computer screen. Whether you're saving a receipt, documenting an error message, or creating a tutorial, the Windows Snipping Tool makes it quick and simple. Best of all, it's built right into Windows, so there's no need to install extra software. In this guide, you'll learn how to open, use, and get the most out of the snipping tool on a Windows desktop computer. What is the Windows Snipping Tool? The Snipping Tool is a screenshot utility included with Windows. It allows you to capture part or all of your screen, then save, edit, or share the image. Unlike pressing the print screen button, the Snipping Tool gives you more flexibility in selecting exactly what you want to capture. How to open the Snipping Tool. There are a few easy ways to launch the tool. Start menu search, click the Start button, type Snipping Tool, and press Enter. Shortcut key, press Windows key plus Shift plus S to open the snipping toolbar directly. Taskbar pinning. If you use it often, right-click the snipping tool in the Start menu and select Pin to Taskbar for one-click access. Types of snips you can take. When the tool opens, you can choose from several snip modes. Rectangular snip. Drag the cursor to select a rectangular area. Freeform snip. Draw a custom shape around what you want to capture. Window snip. Capture a specific open window. Full screen snip. Take a screenshot of the entire desktop. Using the snipping toolbar, Windows plus Shift plus S. If you press Windows plus Shift plus S, the screen will dim slightly and a small toolbar appears at the top. From there, you can quickly select one of the 4 snip types. Once you make a selection, the screenshot is copied to your clipboard so you can paste it into Word, Paint, or an email. Editing and saving your screenshot. After taking a snip, it opens in the Snipping Tool Editor where you can highlight or draw on the image, crop to resize, save as to keep the file on your computer, usually in PNG, JPG, or GIF format. Copy and paste it into another application without saving. Share directly through apps like Mail or Teams on Windows 11. Tips for getting the most out of the snipping tool. Delay option. Need to capture a menu or tooltip. Use the delay feature to set a timer before the screenshot is taken. Keyboard shortcuts. Learn Windows plus Shift plus S for instant snips. Annotate quickly. Use the pen and highlighter tools to add notes before saving. Save for later. Always save important screenshots so you don't lose them when you copy something new. Why use the snipping tool instead of print screen? While the print screen button grabs everything, the snipping tool gives you precision. Only capture what you want. Built-in editing tools. Faster sharing options. It's a more modern, efficient way to handle screenshots on Windows desktops. Final thoughts. The Windows Snipping Tool is a hidden gem for anyone who wants to capture, edit, and share screen content with ease. Once you start using it, you'll find it saves time and makes your screenshots much more effective. Next time you need to grab something on your screen, skip the print screen button and give the snipping tool a try. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this content, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.